Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And here comes the moment of truth. Truth. Oh my god, I can't even pronounce. But yes. Oh my god. Ah. Okay, so I can finally play around with it. Okay. Sorry, I just got an important message. I'm sorry, I have to read that. Okay, sorry. There's something going on Friday, so I just kinda have to do that. But yes. Oh my god, I can finally play with it. Oh my god, I'm not sure if you can see, but yes. I can finally play with it. Ooh, happy. Okay, so I haven't put anything down yet. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on both eyes and dab it in with my finger. So I'm gonna go in with Hush Hush first, then that one with my medium shading brush. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in. Let's be bold. Let's go in with Mystic. That one. Oh my god, I'm probably gonna regret this. So we go back in with the first color, Hush Hush, on my fluffy brush again, and just like go on top of it to smooth out edges. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me. I feel that I've been chasing dreams. Keep holding on to memories. Tears that I will not regret. Sacrifice will prove instead. I feel that I've been chasing dreams. Keep holding on to memories. Tears that I will not regret. Sacrifice will prove instead. Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep. Falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me. Okay, so that was the palette, and now let's do a review of this one because we shall see. It says Voluminous Million Lashes, 3 times thicker lashes. Looks like this. Okay, I have my colors. So I'm gonna get my the lighter, and then so this is what I do. Oh god, look how soft it is. Okay. Let's try this. Can't be as close. I hope you can see this.
Stay away from me. Stay away from me.
I do think it works. So I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. But we can't stop there. We have to try the new lashes I ordered, and we have to try the new glue. So in the other video that I did today, I did an unboxing package thing, and in it was the lashes I had. So I'm gonna try Ardell Professional Dark Adhesive Glue thing. So we'll see if that works. I usually use Duo's glue because that's honestly my favorite. I used to put something there on the floor. No, sorry. Let's try it out. I'll have to put those down there too because this is getting way too much on the table. Okay, so this is what it looks like, 7 grams. So I have whispers or demi whispers. I don't know. I kind of want. It's not as much as like what Papa and Pang. So I think the demi whispers would do fine for this testing. I have never used demi whispers before. I've always used whispers, but the funny part is, like I think this is like 10,000 something I showed you, but these are my whispers. Okay, like beautiful, yeah, and then can you tell the difference? Because I can. They are not the same. So a little bit disappointed, but at the same time they might be great. So I can't say anything until I've tried it, but I do want to try the demi whispers. So they come in a 5-pack. Okay, so oh my god, it is literally tiny. Okay, it's not bad. Kind of looks natural. What do you think? I don't know. Does it look okay? Or I don't know. Feels. Okay, so before I put it on, I kind of just had to show you. It's kind of heartbroken. Like, can you tell? I'll make it work. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I did put on both lashes. So this is what it looks like. And oh, I like it. I do. Okay, so I can see now. It's like I got a little bit of mascara, but that's fine. That's the brow with the brow gel thingy. So this is what it looks like if I look down. So what do you think? They almost look real. And then if I look up. So, but oh my god, do I love Jaclyn's palette. Like, are you kidding me? The pigmented, oh my god. And it was so easy to blend and play around with, and like, and I used almost all the colors. I think it was like 2 I didn't touch, but I used the rest. So but yeah, so that's the look for today. For today it is 6:49. 6:49, yes. Well, 6:50. It's Monday, 7th of January. So I am hoping I will make this video go out by tomorrow. But yes, so the mascara. I do like it. Yes. Do I like the brow thing? Maybe. I have to think about it. And I need a little bit of coffee. Oh my god, yes. Did we like that we shaved off the brows? No, because now, since I shaved off my eyebrows, I'm going to have to paint them before going out. Which may not be the best thing ever, but yeah. Okay, so what else? We love the palette. The lashes. I have a mirror up here too. They look a bit too natural for how I like it. But on the other hand, I will try them on and like have no makeup on. I don't know why I keep staring there, because you're like there. Hi, sorry. So I will try use them with like no makeup, mascara, yes, to blend it out, and maybe a tiny bit of eyeliner, but that's it. Like nothing else, no eyeshadow or anything. So, or maybe not even a wing, just like normal, to make it look like they were natural, but they probably not. And that's it. Maybe I like it. But yeah, so right now I'm using the camera as my video, but I am, although I am kind of liking that I did shave it off in the end, because then you can't, because okay, you can't see now because they are gone, but before you could see the hair, because I always want to make them go up further than they actually are. So yes, that's about it, guys. Sorry. So yeah, what do you think? If you do recreate this look, then please give your link down below, send me a photo or whatever you do. You have all my social medias down below, and oops, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. Bye, love you.